Millions of people are about to experience the coldest Christmas of their life, as a historic cold front is about to send a large chunk of the country into a record-breaking deep freeze. On top of that, we have a huge storm forming, and it's going to intercept that cold air just in time for a Christmas time blizzard.
So I'm in Indiana, and it looks like it could be coming through here with who knows what. They never know until it happens. There is a little to-do list that I need to get done just to be ready. I'm not panicked, just being prepared. This is something I should have done before now, but since I need to, I'm going to be switching out some of my old gas and pouring it in the truck and then putting in some new gas in my cans. Alright, so I have this sitting here and kind of leveled off as good as I can on these rocks, but I need to figure out a cover, see what I can find. Alright, yep, that's what I thought. Here's what I need. So this thing is actually a project that I have in my hopper of unpublished videos, and there's about 4 different electrical based videos that I have yet to finish, but this is all done inside and everything with an interlock kit except for the wires that I have coming out here. So I gotta do that real quick to make sure we can actually hook up the generator to feed the house. Because of these new fancy cars, probably help with theft of gasoline or something, you have to have these little things to actually push down in there so it opens up some valve inside to actually pour gas in from any can. If you don't know what these little spouts are right here, it's called an easy pour spout. Highly recommend you get one of these. Ever since 2008, you know, you've almost spilled more gas with them attempting to help you not spill gas. And this just makes it a whole lot easier. Okay, so maybe that flexible one wasn't as good as I thought it was. Last time I used it, it did fine, but they also make one that's a stiff spout, as you can see. That's doing better. Yeah, so maybe get the stiff one rather than the flexible. Same can, and it seemed to seal up better. Or that other seal was just bad, so I don't know. Check it out yourself. I don't have a soft start kit for our heat pump yet for the generator to run it, so for backup heat I have this propane tank and this little heater that hooks up to it for only 450 square feet, but it's better than nothing. And I'll also have a little space heater. Now our house has a unique situation for the well water in that it has this well pit, and it looks like I'm going to need to insulate that lid at some point. And while it is underground, I do want to make sure I add a little bit of extra insulation because it is where our pressure tank is and the water is flowing through there. And the main threat we are going to have is extreme cold temperatures. Leave a comment below if you're interested about learning more about this well pit thing, and I'll do a more in-depth video on how our well system works. It was a simple little prep list, but I just wanted to have a few things ready, and hopefully I can get some really cool video of the storm coming through.